Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my May subscription dekdesigns.com box. So this arrived to me Friday, and the reason it ran late was that there were some items that hadn't come in, and Dawn was so concerned about it. So, and I so appreciated her attention to everything in this. So anyways, and then for me, I pick it up on Friday and then I have to let it sit. Did mine last? I think mine landed Thursday and I picked it up Friday. So for me, I have to coordinate my pickups because I do curbside. They're so good to me. So I am super excited. It says Mamacita. I love that. Being in Texas. Oh, I love the pink already. Woohoo. Okay. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. I love it. That is so stinking cute. Oh, it's so soft. I love it. I would never get that for myself, but I would want it all the days. It's so cute. Let me pull this to the side so you guys can see well. Let me see. I'm going to turn it that way so you can see a little bit better. So you can see the little disco ball kind of looking, not really disco ball, but kind of rhinestoney, beautiful, large bead. You've got a place for your keys and then a clip-on. So super cute. You can put it on your planner and on your you could put your keys on it. So anyways, and sorry, when I scooted on my chair, it made a weird noise. It was the chair, I promise. So probably I'm the only one who heard it, but it's still, just in case. Look at this. Oh, how pretty. Love this gorgeousness. I absolutely love this. It's wipeable. It's beautiful. It's almost like a champagne blush. So to me, it feels blushy. Maybe I'm wrong, but oh, I didn't even read the note. Let me go back and read the note here. I'm sorry, but oh, how gorgeous. I just dove right in. Super fun. Okay, really quickly, it says, thank you for your waiting so patiently for this gorgeous box to ship out. We have included the mishap washi as well. Maybe you can find a use for it. Oh, that's neat. They had to redo the washi. This month's box, wait a minute, Happy Mother's Day to all that are mothers. This month's box features light gold foil. How pretty. Next month will be silver halo. Ooh, that'll be pretty. Thank you for your continued support. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Kate. And Dawn, she had reached out to us, told us what was going on, and oh, you just ached for her because she tries so hard for y'all, for all of us. I mean, it's just so amazing. So here is, oh, they're both so pretty. I'm not sure, I can't remember what the mishap was, but that works, guys. Very pretty. Okay, thank you, Dawn. I know you didn't have to include the second one. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. There is a ton in here. Hold on. Oh, it just keeps coming. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, there's another washi. Hold on, look at this one. Oh, that is so pretty. Do you see the flowers? How pretty is that? I love that. So very gorgeous. Oh, goodness gracious. Wow, this is a box. And then, of course, this is Mommy's. Oh, she's gotten good about all the snacks. Thank you. Oh, I just found, oh, Minnie. Oh, I love this. Oh, my, oops, and I pulled it the wrong way. I did the wrong thing, but that's okay. That's how you reload the pin. Oh, I love this, Dawn. Excuse me for opening that incorrectly. Yeah, Mama keeps this one. That one is so stinking cute. Okay, let's see how it writes, because I'm a pen fiend. Oh, writes like butter. And look, aren't they? Those are such pretty sticky notes. Ah, gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. And this is it a sticker? Or it looks like a bookmark. Wow, I love that. That is beautiful. Oh, and a junk journal, that could really be a tuck. So how beautiful is that piece of acetate? Oh, yay, she's keeping these coming. I love it. So you guys know I love junk journals if you follow this channel. And so I love when she does the ephemera. So number one, I love the sticky pocket. So this is just a pocket that you can put in your journal, and it has a sticky back. Love these. It is, oh, such a beautiful tool. So this says she is fierce. So she is strong, fierce, brave, full of fire. I love that. And after this month, that sounds great. Oh, barely awake. That is so cute. There's Boo Bear. So cute. Okay. Oh, look at the bow and the house shoes. And the sleepy mask. How sweet. And the robe. Oh, goodness. Look at the nail polish. I love that. And oh, the Daisy Love. I love that Marc. I think that's the Marc Jacobs. Oh, I love it. Never ever had it, never worn it, but I've smelled it when I go into like Sephora and Ulta. It's been a while, but I used to love it. That is gorgeous. So clearly, this is a Mother's Day in bed teapot. Love it, love it, love it. So sweet. And this says Mom Fuel. I love that. And again, it said Mamacita on the cover. And yeah, definitely Mother's Day. Look at the mom pancake. Isn't that sweet? Love the teapot. Love the heart donut. And then the foliage. I love. Happy Mother's Day. Woo! Teddy bear. Hold on. I caught it. Can you believe that? Pretty rose. I'm going to put that with the foliage. Oh, the lipstick. Yes, that is something I didn't get this year. Usually I do. And I love Mom. I love that. So pretty. Oh, goodness. Dawn, if you're watching, love every bit of it. Love it all. So thank you. Ephemera is my gig. I love it, love it, love it. It is my favorite thing. And if it was something that were offered in the shop, I don't know how many of you guys feel like this, but as a junk journaler, as just a crafter, paper crafter, I would buy many of just these ephemera kits. They are fantastic. Amazing. Okay, so let me see here. So let's go through... Let's look at the paper first, because I'm just dying to see it. Okay, hold on. Ugh. I have... There we go. I am so excited. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love those purple stars. I might use that for my mom. Oh, I love this. This is my favorite so far. I've only seen one page, but I love... Oh, look at that vellum. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and look at that shimmer blush. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, goodness gracious. So 2 specialty papers that I love. The pink and then that faint yellow, white, and mint. How pretty is that? Oh, and this is like the washi. I love that. And then, ooh, that one's really pretty. It's like a whitewashed wood. Love it. Ooh, and look at the roses. How pretty. And then here's the waves, which I love the colors. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. That pink and sky blue and mint and white and gold and everything in it. Oh, my goodness gracious. Dawn knows her paper, that's for sure. She has done a great job on all the papers. And again, the way they found me, they found the way to my heart. I mean, I love Simply Gilded's kit. I love a lot of the other kits. But what I really love about the DEK kit is it is planner and paper crafter friendly. You can do both. You can do either or, and yet you can still find enough for both of those hobbies. Period. End of discussion. So, okay. So let's start with the planners stickers first because these just look so cute. And I'm sorry, I've got all my lights on today. I'm not really sure what's going on. I closed my door because our neighbor, who is not super close to us, but they're right outside our gate mowing, which is nice. We take it. So, ooh, guys, these have such a nice finish. They have like a slick finish. Oh, how nice. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, how pretty. I love the heart pillow. Every little detail. Family's everything. I love that. And guys, this would work in your memory keeping. Seriously. Yes. Not only with the ephemera, but this would too. Peanut, can you go help him? Half boxes. Weekend. Sarah, please help. No, now. Weekend. Hold on. Weekend. Hold on. There's a weekend sticker, like a menu sticker, a partial. Here is a scalloped, and then a skinny washi. So beautiful. Sorry, guys. He comes in the back door screaming. I apologize. Half scallops, a girl work computers. Love those. More of the Oh my goodness, is this that? These are the new glitter headers. Love that. Love it all. Gorgeous. And of course, I love these. And then here are the checklists. Love it. More glitter headers. Okay, the labeled headers, date dots and functionals, work, banner, scalloped with glitter. Oh, I love that. Scalloped eyelet and then the half scallops. Oh, so pretty. And then look at the decorative functionals. I love that. Washi, the days of the week, and functionals. So pretty. And then, oh, look at this. I love those. I really love these in my journals and my memory keeping, all of that. These are just so wonderful. And then here are the decoratives. Aren't they, darling? Look at that. Is that Italian espresso? I'm not sure what you make in that, but I've never ever made coffee in it, but yum. Aw, that's so sweet. The mama and the babies. I love that. I love that. Aw, and she did every kind of lady there is, and I really, really appreciate that. Beautiful. I love the to mom. Everything okay? Yeah. Okay. All right, so there's that. And then, so we've got that is a planner and a half worth of stickers. Then here is the monthly. So let's take a look at this. So if you don't know, you can also order monthly sticker sets from DEK, which are fantastic if you do more of the junk journaling or bujas or bullet journaling or traveler's notebooks. So, or even just in your memory planning. So here is the monthly. I love the May, the 2021, all of that, and then just basic things that we do over and over, plus any special holiday, which of course this month is Mother's Day. Super pretty. Here's the top portion of it, and you can get this to fit whatever planner you have. And so I have mine set up for, I believe, my Ara Estelle, and then I have the banner dates as well, and then the photos, the photo corners, and then the tabs. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful boxes. I was trying to see. Yeah, there's 2 boxes. She kind of changed it up a little bit this month, and I love it. Oh, I love this rest day planning sesh. Currently reading Bill Do, and then all the decoratives. How beautiful. I mean, guys, these kits are so full. And then look at this. This I've not seen yet. I'm so excited. This is something else. I've never seen this. So let's see here. Ooh, what is in here? All right, here we go. Sorry for the rattle. So this says May sub. Look at that. Look at all the foil overlays. The pennant, the like wreath, or what do you call that? The vine wreath. I'm not sure. Oh, I love it all. Love the florals, the paper clips. So stinking cute. The arrows. Super cute. Look at this. Look at the boxes that you can write in. Oh, I love these. I love the hearts and I love the stars. Oh my goodness, how wonderful. And these I have seen recently. I love the hexes. I love the circles, and I love these kind of scalloped boxes. So pretty, or like they look like a frame or decorative frame. So pretty. Oh, and I love the dimensional boxes. How pretty is that? Golly. Oh, look at this. So we have corners. And I mean, you could do that around a picture. You could do these just on your page, like a paint swatch. Oh, how pretty. Seriously, what a kit this month, guys. What a May kit. And let me show you something. So see that May? You could cut that out and use that again. I know. So use the whole buffalo, okay? Make sure you use the whole buffalo. I hope you guys like this. I'm just flabbergasted. I could hardly talk. This is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Come on back, because you know I use it throughout the month. And my head is just buzzing with like all the different ideas I want to use with this. So come on back. I can't wait to walk you through some of the projects I'll use with this, as well as planning. And seriously, I have so much washi right now from DEK. I might just set this up with all my DEK washi. I'm not sure yet, but I do love it. I'm going to leave that out so you guys can see. And look at that. Look at that. I know. I'm such a Minnie Mouse fan. All right, friends. I pray, and it's probably supposed to be a teddy bear, but to me, it's Minnie Mouse. Okay. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me what you liked most, and I will be talking to you soon. I love y'all, and have a great Mother's Day. Y'all take care. And today is Sunday that I will put this up. And we have all kinds of specials today. We have a 30% off on Mother's Day. And we have we just have all kinds of specials. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention this Sunday. Also follow my Instagram. We've got some DM fun things going on, and yeah, which means direct messaging, I guess is what it is called. But I know I don't know what all these 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 letters mean, but anyways, I think it's you get a direct message. So be sure to check my Instagram. I've got all kinds of things up on there for you guys, letting you know all the good things with DEK, and 30% off. I know. And whatever you do, be sure you put KRIS in the comment box so they'll know that I sent you. And then that way they credit that back to me, and I so appreciate it. I don't get a lot, but every little bit helps, and I so appreciate every bit of that, because then that makes it so I can give it back to you guys. And so remember, when we get to the 1,400 subscribers, I've got 2 massive DEK giveaways with a little bit extra from some other things. So please, 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 if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Most importantly, because we'd love to get to know you and encourage you, but also so that you can be a part of the drawings here. And I'm excited. I feel like we can start doing drawings again. And I've said that here recently, but I really feel like it now. So, okay, friends, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Have a great Mother's Day. And if you're not a mom, love a mom near you, whether it be your mom or your neighbor who's a mom or your sister who's a mom or your cousin who's a mom. Just love your moms in your life, okay? All right, friends. Love you guys. Y'all be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.